The circle here is inscribed inside a right triangle ABC. What is the radius of the circle? So although there is a formula to find out the radius of any circle that is inscribed in a circle, and that in radius formula is given by the formula delta over S, where delta is the area of the triangle while S is the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter means half of the perimeter of the triangle. However, in this video I would like to explain this how to answer this question without using this particular formula. Now, to explain this, let me quickly draw a few constructions, and the constructions that I suggest are that whenever you have some points on the circumference of the circle, the very first and the important construction is to join those points with the center of the circle, because when point of the tangency is joined with the center of the circle, it always makes a 90 degrees. That means we have this angle 90 degrees, we have this angle 90 degrees, as well as this angle 90 degrees. Let's mark these points P, Q and R, and the center is O. Now, if you look at this triangle, we know that it's a right triangle ABC. That means point B is 90 degrees and point A will also be 45 degrees now, because it's one of the angle is 45 degrees. So it's an isosceles right triangle. Now, we need to find out the radius. Just carefully look at this BPOR. Three of these angles are 90 degrees. That means the fourth angle will automatically be 90 because the sum of the angles in case of any quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Also, OP and OR are equal because they are both radius. That means BPOR is basically a square, and this square has side length equal to the radius of the circle. So now the question is to find out the side of this square or the radius of the circle. Now, another information here is that BC is equal to 8. So now we are going to utilize this opportunity, and I am just marking this length BC is equal to 8 units. And we need to find out the radius. So let me just mark that radius by a variable R here. So this distance is R and this distance will also be R. And since this length BC is 8, therefore the other length AB will also be 8. And in that case we know that the length of AC will be equal to 8 square root of 2, because it's an isosceles right triangle in which the angles are 45, 45, 90 degrees. And in that kind of triangle, the ratio of the sides is 1, 1 root 2. And if the two sides are 8, 8, the third side will be 8 root 2, which is hypotenuse. Now we are starting from this R, and then we are going to arrive at the other part. From point A, AP and AQ will be equal. The reason is that these are two tangents drawn to the same circle from one particular point. So AP and AQ will be equal. And we can say that AP will be equal to 8 minus R, because this entire length AB is equal to 8. So AP will be 8 minus R. Similarly, so AQ will also be equal to 8 minus R. Similarly, we can see that point C is making these two tangents at the circle CR and CQ. And CR should be equal to CQ because these are the tangents drawn to the same circle from one exterior point. So since CR is equal to CQ and CR has length equal to 8 minus R, because this entire BC is 8 and BR is R, so this length will also be equal to 8 minus R. And now we can quickly see one simple equation that is getting formed here, that 8 minus R plus another 8 minus R should be equal to 8 root 2. All that we have to do here is now simplify this. So we have 8 plus 8 minus 8 root 2 is equal to twice of R. That means R becomes here 8 minus 4 root 2, which is option C. So C option becomes our answer. I hope you enjoyed the explanation. Thank you so much.